takes some time for the AMS to generate the attendance report. This is a detailed attendance report based on the employee code. We can see here we get the attendance date, date in, date out, time out, working hours name, late minutes and early minutes description based on employee code. So this is the detailed attendance report. We can just see here. For employee code 1, 2, 3, we get the attendance report. This one seems abnormal, so it is indicated in red mark because the employee come in at 13:46 and leave at 13:46, so this is abnormal. And the same goes here. The employee code 03 enters at 18:18 and leaves at 18:18, so this is also abnormal. It also calculates the late minutes and early minutes for the respective employee. This is the detailed attendance report based on the employee code 04. We just now register there. So this is how we can get a detailed attendance report of all the users from all the terminals. Also there's an option user. You can have a different user account for admin, manager or HR. We can create the user account here and the respective password here. So attendance report we can also get detailed attendance report based on date, division, date, department, date, section, working status, job title, employee, division, department, section, working status, job title and employee code. So any detailed attendance report can be generated here. User activity report you can generate. It takes some time to generate the report. Meanwhile, we can see this log report we generated by downloading the log from the terminal. This is the log report. You get the card number, employee name, date and the other description here, date in, date out and the time description. So this is the log report format we have generated. In order to get the late minutes, early minutes, we have to define the working hour code for the employee. So the user activity report is generated at the AMS. What time which username is admin and user code is admin, what time he log in, what time he open department, division. So all the user activity is reported here. You can have many up to 3 user accounts, and you can get all the description what the user does at AMS. It's a real-time monitoring. Everything is recorded here and you can generate the report. We've got 25 pages of report. Just go next. You get all the report. This is how you can monitor who is entering the AMS software and making changes, what type of changes they are making, like are they opening the division, department, attendance, absent report, when they log in and when they log out. All this information we can get a user activity report. To get the user activity report, go to report, security, user activity report, and then select which report you want to generate. User list, you have 3 users, admin, and you can just display how many users you have. They can support up to 3 users. So these are the user code and username. So most of the concepts of AMS are being covered here. If any important information you want to know, you can always refer to the AMS manual or go for help. There is nothing much, just the description of the software, but you can refer to the AMS manual for rest of the information.